Okay guys, so we're testing today the Moes Wi-Fi switch. This one actually has RF as well. Um, and as you know, I've tested their Zigbee one and I liked it a lot. So the reason why I'm testing all of these switches is because I'm building a house and might as well make a review from it, which is why I actually made this channel. Now, so let's go over the unit. So it's a Wi-Fi switch. It does have RF, like I mentioned, so you can connect that to a RF remote. It's 2.4 gigs Wi-Fi. Okay, it's 10 amps per gang. Okay, so this one is actually a 2 gang. So there's 2 lines. So that means that its total um, wattage per gang is at about, that's 10 amps, and then we're at about 220 here in the Philippines. So that means 220 times 10, that's 2000 watts, right? Something like that, right? 2020 watts, 2200 watts. Okay, so I'll just show you how this is set up. So this is connected to a cob light, which we have over here. So this line goes to the cob light, and they both have one of their lines. So it's 220, so it doesn't really matter. You just pick one of their lines as long as it's the same line. It goes here, okay? And then I've got a power outlet that we're gonna plug in later that goes to the line in. And then since this is the light, this is the L1, right? So in case you didn't know, like if you don't have a neutral, basically you do need this line. If you don't have a neutral in your house, just get like from one of the power outlets and then route it towards that light switch, and then basically just plug it in by placing these two there. Okay, so so let's plug this guy in. So you can hear that it powered up already, and then you should be able to see like a fast blinking blue light over here. So let's connect it by pressing the plus, add device. Okay, and I know that this has Bluetooth because you can see it instantly here that it just got discovered, right? So it's able to do that using Bluetooth. Once again, when you're adding, you have to make sure that you're connected to your Wi-Fi network, which is at 2.4 gigahertz. There's usually 5. Most smart devices, actually, I think all don't support 5 gigahertz, okay? So just make sure that your mobile phone is connected to the network that is not 5 gigahertz. Okay, let's click add. Okay, click plus. And then enter your Wi-Fi details. So if the Wi-Fi here was actually 5 gig, this wouldn't be able to connect because it's basically going to send the Wi-Fi settings over to the switch. Okay, so there you go. It was added. Let's just because I'm testing a lot of switches right now, so I gotta name this Moes. There you go. All right, done. All right, so you can see it here. You do have a couple of settings. Let's see what if we press the top right, so you can get the device information, automation, offline notification, multi-control association. So this one, you use this if you're going to be doing a two-way. So say for instance at the top of the stairs, you have this here, and then you want to be able to control or the light that this is connected to, you're gonna pair them together. Okay, you can share the device, location information. All right, you can also check if it's connected properly to the network as well. So if you need to troubleshoot your device, very, very useful, no? Tagal. Okay, there you go. Now let's go back. Let's hit the switch. So this switch isn't connected to anything. So you can see here, I hope you guys can see it, that the cob went on. So it's pretty instantaneous, no? Okay, then you've got an all on. Okay, this the all on doesn't work for all off, no? You also have a timer, so you can set this for a countdown, so you can add a schedule for countdown. Um, Sorry, you've got countdown here, so let's say after 1 minute, no? I'm not gonna wait for that. And then you do have the schedule, so you can set it a time on specific dates, no? All right. Um, Now, let's go to settings. So you've got a relay status. So if the relay status is off, if this, let me show you, no? Right now it's in off mode. Let's turn this on. And then if I unplug this, okay, then I replug it again, no? That's kind of annoying, huh? That's kind of annoying, the beep every single time it turns on and off. Okay, so like I mentioned, if the relay status isn't off, it will remain off even after, say, a power outage, right? So let's set this to relay status on. I'm gonna unplug it right now. See, it's going to automatically turn it on, no? Now, if this was in remember last status, as it says, no, it remembers the last status. Okay, and then let's turn off the light. Okay, you can see that there's also a backlight as well. So this switch is actually on, no? So if you can see here, let's talk about the backlight for a bit. So it's very dim, but you can see that the light, if it's in the on mode, it becomes blue. Okay, there, see, it's blue. Okay, so this backlight basically controls if that light will turn on. I would prefer to have it on. Oh, there's an all off here, sorry. So you can go all on and then all off. Okay, the other thing I want to note is that you can also hear like a clicking sound. So I'm not so sure if you guys can hear that. It's very minor. This is actually less. There you go. It's less clickier than the Smart Tool one that I'm testing. Okay, so very quick video. So this is how to set up your Moes switch. So thanks guys, hope you like and subscribe. I'll be also posting another video about the differences between this one and the Smart Tool. Okay, so don't forget to like and subscribe guys if you want to catch that next video. Thank you.